Adding apps to your Shopify store is one of the fastest way to unlock new features and improve your store runs. To get started, log into your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Apps. You'll see an option that says Shopify App Store. Click that, and it will take you to the full app marketplace in a new tab. From here, you can explore apps by category like marketing, store design, conversions, or just use a scratch bar at the search bar at the top if you already know what you're looking for. Once you find an app that interests you, click on it to open up the details page. Take a moment to check out the pricing, screenshots, and reviews. You want to make sure it fits your budget and actually solves the problem you were trying to fix. Once you are ready, click the Add App button. Shopify will redirect you to a permission page where you will need to approve the installation. After you confirm, the app gets added to your store automatically. Most apps will either walk you through a setup process or provide easy access from your Apps tab. From there, you can configure settings, activate features, or even uninstall it later if it's not working for you. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more bite-sized Shopify tutorials. And drop a comment if you want me to review the best free apps for beginners. I'll break those down next.